Having a bigger and healthier penis is a desire that may appeal to many men. Having a big penis these days is a nightmare for many men, which even takes away sleep from them. In fact, this is a need that is transferred from wives to men, and it must be solved. In this video, we are going to introduce foods that increase the length of your penis. In this video, we talked about these 3 foods that can be useful for increasing the length of your penis. Seafood may not have many fans, but it is a good source of penis enlargement. Salmon is rich in omega-3 and other fatty oils, which are great for increasing blood flow. Seafood, including shrimp, salmon, oysters, in addition to producing a healthy blood flow, also increases libido and strengthens sexual powers. This herb is often used to boost memory, but it also aids circulation and may increase blood flow to the penis. According to a study carried out at the University of California, the herb chalcica is effective in helping men fight depression, which can lead to sexual dysfunction. 40 coins can be taken as a tea or as a supplement in the form of a capsule. Both forms of this herb are widely available in health food stores. If you have a history of seizures or are taking blood thinners, do not take chalcica supplements. Check with your doctor to make sure this supplement is safe for you. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, which have a high nutritional value, are useful for the heart and blood flow, and eating a banana daily helps to enlarge the penis. Banana is a tropical fruit that, in addition to increasing the size of the penis, helps people who have premature ejaculation and who use the sex delay spray to delay ejaculation and tighten the back. Watermelon is not a plant, but it has properties that may help increase the size and duration of erections, just like arginine does. The fact is that watermelon contains citrulline, which is a relatively new discovery, so no studies have been done to show how well it actually works. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.